Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to make a update video on connecting your Go Plus to either your Apple or Android device. First thing we're going to do is power on our devices. So I always recommend completely shutting off your device, not just restart or reset. Completely power it off and really get a hard reset on there. And while that's resetting, we're going to go ahead and push and hold the Go Plus buttons for 5 seconds until we get a steady blue light. And we're going to push and hold again while that blue light is on until that blue light goes away. So it's about 5 more seconds. And we're just going to go ahead and start Pokemon Go, the game. I'm going to punch in my unlock code. And we will get the app started on this device. So I'm just going to cover up my screen name for privacy purposes. And just so you get a good time frame of this video, Mewtwo is out in 5-star raid battles, and we just had the Chikorita event. So yeah, I connected my Go Plus to the Chikorita event, and just left my phone in my pocket and let it do its thing, and it caught about 200 Pokemon for shiny Chikoritas, so it did great. So the Samsung does take a little while for it to figure out where we are geographically. So we're just going to go ahead and start with the Apple. So first thing we're going to do is hit the Pokeball and go into settings and Go Plus. So this account and device previously had a Go Plus connected to it. So you'll see the Go Plus icon right there. So what I'm going to do is hit the eject. And so that's going to go away. And I'm going to push the button and you'll see a white LED flash instead of a blue. That is because we did that factory reset in the beginning of the video. So it's just asking if we'd like to pair after I touched the icon, and there we go. It is connected to this Apple device, and there's no Pokemon around, so it's not really going to do anything. But you can see that it is connected by that colored icon at the top left. So now it's time to connect it to our Samsung. So usually I do like to wait till the map completely loads up before I turn the Bluetooth on. That's just my personal preference. As you can see with the Apple, it works either way. So, and on this device, I made sure that no Go Plus was connected to it previously, so I could do an example of each. It doesn't really matter either way as long as you're following this process by completely powering off your device and starting the game and restarting, factory resetting your Go Plus. You should be good. So now we are in the Go Plus menu in the settings. So I'm going to go ahead and smash my Go Plus button, and you'll see the icon pop up. So we're just going to tap that icon and it will start cycling, trying to connect to that respective Go Plus, and there we go. It is connected, and both devices are happy. If either do fail to connect the first time, this device, this icon at the top right of the screen will be grayed out, and all you do is you tap it with your finger and you'll get some pink text asking you to push your Go Plus button because it's trying to connect, and then you just press your Go Plus button, and then you should be good to go. If it does fail to connect that second time, I like to go back into the menu for the Go Plus, and I will hit the eject icon again and try to restart it from there. But there you go, guys. This is an example of connecting your Go Plus to both an Android and an Apple. I showed you how to factory reset the Go Plus, and some good etiquette and just completely restarting your device, and getting a good hard reset for those that are having trouble getting the Go Plus to connect to your device. So I hope this video has helped some of you. and I will keep you updated in the future if things change. So good luck, guys. Have fun, and have a great day.